You can see we are here in the driving seat. Actually, this train have no driver. Electric trains, MRT here. You can see this type of trains. The other side you can see every 5 minutes, 3 minutes. You can find this train. Very easy to ride. Very safe. Very smooth drive. This is in Kuala Lumpur. Very nice. Electric, everything electrically open and shut. This is the door, and here we are in the front of the train where they normally drive.